Happy 4th of July, my people. We gotta film something today since you know it's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, guys. We got the Mustang right here, the Pestilence, the 4 Horsemen. Now I mean, parked next to a Challenger. You know what I'm saying? He had to flex a little bit. He had to come out here and do a little flex. But we got the fireworks store in Shelton. You know what I mean? I talk like this because damn, we're in 4th of July, boy. We in Shelton fireworks. About to buy some fireworks now. Tell me, saying we got America going on in the background. But let's go inside, see what kind of fireworks they got, see what we can buy. In a land full of bad ideas. This is what you get when you get a YouTuber and some fireworks, and everybody else in here trying to buy fireworks. Cause now we're thinking about just coming up with some ideas, man. I don't know if this video might air, but we're gonna do something crazy. It's 4th of July, man. And I still need me like a cowboy hat or something. We're gonna see. I'm so poor, guys. The only thing I bought was sparklers. What's the fact? All this is my buddy's. He's buying all that. I'm buying this. I'm cheap. $12. Alright, so guess what, man? We got a cowboy hat. We're gonna get our first cowboy hat. Should I get the black one? Hell yeah, brother. That's right. How do I look?
Take your wife in the bedroom, the hat stays.
That's right, the hat stays on. Alright, so this is the black one. And then we got the Screeching Bald Eagle. Then we got the Screeching Bald Eagle American. This one's a little bit too folded. This is too folded. Let me try this one. Hey, what about this one? What's up? So this right here? So the black one.
Looks better than the other one.
Looks better than the black one?
No, that one's better than the other American.
Okay, so what about this one?
I think that one's perfect, actually.
This was perfect. Alright, give me the black cowboy hat. Now we need the shades. Now we need the shades. Do we go these? Or do we go these? Which ones do we do? That's what I'm talking about. I feel good. So I just went to Love's and brought these glasses and this hat. You like it? I think it's a good look for me, man. I try and bring it back. You know what I'm saying? Went to Love's, bought this and this. Now you gotta see it on. Cause I gotta get it. I'm gonna tell you guys why I gotta get it. I'm gonna tell you guys why I gotta get it, cause I'm riding in the Stang, baby. The Stang. Yeah, baby. You know what I'm saying? Black on black. I call this one a black stallion. It's real nice. She's kind of thirsty right now. Like I said, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. You know what I'm saying? Yeehaw! Drink up, baby. Because we're going to have some food. That's right, all that luscious premium gas running through your veins. Alright, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Happy 4th of July. Welcome back, guys. It's the next day. Happy 4th of July. Hope you guys had a good one. Sorry I didn't record much. I just focused on having fun and family. But we are at 704 Exotics in Huntersville. They're having their meet. A lot of cars are out today. So let's see what we can get into, man. There's a lot of cars out here for sale too. Having fun. They're parking me in the back because I ain't got no exotic, which I understand, but we're gonna get to this. Stanley Mustang right here, red with the black stripes. Pinstripes through it, black on black. 6-speed manual. Thing's pretty sick. Price on this bad boy. Just gotta scan to get the price on it. It is 6-speed manual, 350, GT 350. Black with the red stripes. Or we're at the green, yellowish Mach 1 right here. Beautiful spec as well, with the 6-speed manual on the inside. So, I mean, should I bring a Mustang to the channel? Would you guys want a Mustang on the channel, or would you guys like me to finish my JDM supercar build? You know what I'm saying? Supercar killer. Here's we got the Z06 right here, Pro Charge. We got C8. And then we got the GTR Godzilla right here with the titanium tips. This bad boy is for sale. Crazy. It's crazy. Insane. Look at the interior. You see that? 2021 silver GTR. One of my dream cars is on the bucket list. One of them. I don't know. Should I add one to the channel? Should I add the silver one or the white one? But I don't know, guys. It's a lot. Ever since you let a car go, you have to get a car back. But let's go see some more cars. Hey guys, this was the purple GT that was on Just the 6 channel. Then right next to it we got another Porsche, and another Porsche, and another Porsche. And we got Porsches for days, guys. But like I said, we're at 714 Exotics. We're gonna walk around, see some cars, see what's here today. This is my first time actually being here and I want to explore it. And some of these cars are for sale, so let's do this. Legendary V10 engine, baby. You guys know I love my Vipers. With the black. Nice wheels. Arch. Ooh, the Toyos. Look at the thread life on these bad boys. Crazy. Look how wide the tire is. I got big hands. That's the front tire. I only imagine the back. Insane. Black on black interior. Carbon fiber scoops. Beautiful spec. Beautiful car, guys. Look how giant the hood is when it's open.
I thought it was you for a minute.
Oh my God. What you guys just heard was, you know, C8 70th anniversary car with a nice throaty exhaust. That's how C8s are supposed to sound. You know what I mean? Let you know they're coming, baby. But there's more cars here. We're gonna go check them out for you guys, and we'll get this party started. You putting this thing on a dyno, man?
Yeah, I need to see what it makes, man.
All right, bet, man. You got your GoPro?
I have my phone.
I mean, that works
I have my
too.
phone with my
With your suction mount?
selfie stick.
Okay. Do you want my GoPro with the head mount?
No, it's okay.
You sure? Yeah. All right, brother. We're gonna see what this thing do.
Yeah, I was on crutches for like 18 months. I was in a sling for a while. I'm really.
In your series, each one of those points above 1, you're losing 3 horsepower.
Okay.
So at 1,
On a humid day like this, 196 was this car's tuned, or the horsepower made. Pretty good. But next, got the orange Mustang up next. Pro Charge. I see it. Z06 Corvette, 603, 599. That was in 6th-gear cooling this thing, dude. And freaking sane for a dyno tuner Corvette. Oh my god. I got the honors of delivering the dyno sheet to the owner of the car. So let's see how this turns out. cold start on this beast right here. You guys saw this in just the 6. Now you guys better hear an actual cold start of this thing. Hunter! So remember we got the Armored Green Porsche, the Viper Dream car of course. Ventador, S.